Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a first impression of the new Tarte Face Tape foundation. It's actually replacing the Shape Tape foundation, which I'm a little torn about because I really like the Shape Tape foundation. The color range is just really bad. So already what I don't like about it just off the bat is it's plastic and not glass like the old one was. And yeah, I much prefer a glass bottle as to plastic, but it is what it is. It's actually got a pump instead of it being the little applicator like this, which is definitely a lot more sanitary, so we'll see how that works. This color is light neutral. The other one that I have is fair beige, but I tried this color in this formula and it was literally just like a sheet. Like, it was so white and it was definitely not going to work for me. So we'll see how this one works. I feel like once it's blended in, you probably won't be able to tell. That's actually kind of a perfect match.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. it looks perfect.
That's so funny. Well, lesson learned. I go way too light with my foundation. but it still feels a little like sticky, but not like very heavy at all. I'm just gonna let it set for a minute before I set it with powder so it doesn't move it around too much. So I'm gonna let that set and then come back and set it. Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you my face while it is finished. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this door so it you can see it a little bit better. But here is what my face looks like. I really like this foundation, so I wanted to get a backup of my Shape Tape foundation because they were discontinuing it and replacing it with this foundation. But now after using it, it is really nice. So it matches my face really well. It's got really nice medium coverage. This is just one layer. I didn't want to do more than one layer. So here's what it looks like. I feel like it looks really, really natural on my skin. And yeah, they have 50 shades, so it makes it a little bit easier to find a shade. It feels hydrating, but not like sticky. Like I said, it looks glowy, so that's good. I think people are gonna have a bit of a hard time with different skin types because I have combination skin and I get like some dry patches and stuff. So I'm interested to see how this will work in the summertime. So I feel like it's gonna slip and slide a little bit when it gets warmer, but we will see about that in the later months. But first impression, I really like this. So here is a look at it. I really like it. Alright guys, so I'm doing a check-in at the end of the night to show you how my foundation looks, and it did, I was like picking at my skin a little bit, so it does look kind of rough around those places, but I mean, I obviously was messing with my face, but the rest of my face, like all around here, up here, down here and everything, looks pretty good. I'm actually really impressed with it so far. It did like, it kind of looks like it started to separate a little bit around here, but that's pretty typical for my skin. I haven't found a foundation that doesn't do that. But it still looks really good. It matched really well. It's a nice finish. I'm really happy with it right now. Like I said, it's just first impression, so I'll keep you guys updated with how that's working for me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!